Hi, this is Harry Kroner, and I wanted to make this short video to help explain a little bit what we're going to cover in my upcoming workshop on September 12th of automatic writing and channeling, focusing on the daily guidance and why I chose to do this kind of focus. Um, I think that we live in a very difficult time right now, and it is hard to, from all the chaos and the different challenges that we experience, to see beyond it and have the clarity and the self-assurance support of what you need. I think many people come to me, clients and friends and colleagues come to me and say, like, this is really hard to keep focused. It's really hard everybody feeling a little disconnected, and it's hard to be aligned with your mission, your purpose, and knowing the best approach for the day when all this is happening. And so I think this is a really perfect timing. I mean, I was guided in my daily guidance to create this course to help people, because this is something very important. We can be more aligned, more focused, and more clear about everyday action and everyday approach and attitude that we need to have for each day, because feeling disconnected and filled with self-doubt and not knowing what your purpose and mission is a very difficult place to be in. And knowing that you have the support from inner guidance, whether it's spirit guides or higher self or other beings that have your highest good in mind, and getting this and learning how to do it is a very helpful tool that you can use and really enrich your life and progress in your personal and spiritual growth in all ways. So what are we going to get? We're going to cover every step of the process of automatic writing, first of all, and then we're going to do some practice so you can really have a sense of it and get it, because it's really tuning into a certain kind of fine channel that needs to be in there, that you need to know where to go to get it, because it's actually not as hard as you think it might be. So I'll show you how to do it. We'll do it together live online. This is all online. And then we'll do some practice, and then we'll do a quick break, and then we'll continue on and do some more deeper channeling through either a voice, whatever it is your best, like the writing, art, whatever it is your best way of channeling. And you can we'll work on figuring out what is your best channel. Okay, so we'll do some practice. We'll do a step-by-step how-to, and help you do this. And of course, I'll record the entire thing, because that's one of the benefits of doing it on Zoom, and so recording it so you can then afterwards practice it again and listen to it and repeat every day. That's the idea. Because from my experience, if you don't do it every day, you feel it, you know it. You're not as focused, you're not as aligned and on mission and purpose as you can be. And I use it, and I started using it many years ago. So when I first started using it, I was still having a regular job, and it helped me to understand and know what approach to have with certain people if it has a certain challenge. And it applies to any relationship that you might have. So what's the best approach? What's the best practice I could do that'll be in my highest good? And also I will teach you what to do's and don'ts, and because a lot of people are confused. Okay, like for example, how to discern whether it's just my own inner talk in my head and more clearer guidance that comes from higher aspects of within. So I will teach you how to do that and how to notice little tricks of the trade of how to really understand what comes through. And the nice thing about automatic writing is that you have a record of it. And this is how I did, for example, half of my book that I wrote a few years back. It was automatic writing. It was just channeled in the best of ways. It's just written such a concise and perfect way. Not a word too much, not a word too little. It's just beautiful. So that's one of the things you can do and bring forth an understanding of yourself, and just have a record so you can refer to it later of the day, later in the week, like, what did they say about this? Instead of being just a vague thing, it's good to have the ability to write it down. So you can choose how to do so. But I would really encourage you to take this course. I think it's going to help everyone, and just being more tuned in, just being in that eye of the storm, and not letting all this chaos to take you with it, and allow yourself to be focused on purpose and retain your highest frequency that you can have. Okay, so I will place a link below so you can go to my website and sign up, and I will hope to see you all there. That'll be wonderful. And again, it's recorded, so if you can't make it to the specific date on September 12th, 8 a.m. Pacific time, please just still sign up, pay for it, and you can you'll get all the recordings and everything from it. Okay? Hope this has helped you in making the decision. If you have any questions, just email me directly. I'm totally good with that. harrykroner@gmail.com. Okay? And if not, just through my website, that's totally good as well. All right. I'll talk to you soon. Hope to see you there. Bye-bye.